Hi Glam Dolls, how are you guys today? It's Friday, thank God, at least here. It's getting kind of late on a Friday and I didn't get to film. I've had a lot going on the last couple days and to be honest too, I haven't been feeling too hot. I have severe allergies, which is why you're going to have to please excuse what is going on with my face today. My allergies are killing me, so my eye makeup is just not holding. My eyes have been running down my face all day, so it's been a bad day for makeup. And if you have this sudden urge right now to pee your pants, it's probably because the waterfall sound you hear in the background. But please pay that no mind. That's just my husband doing the dishes like a good husband should. I got a good man, you guys. I got a really good man. He's over there doing the dishes. To be honest, you guys, I have not had to do dishes since I met him. I have not had to do dishes in 8 years, you guys. You know how amazing that is? Amazing. I'm the luckiest gal in the whole wide world. But let's get into why we're really here today, because my glam dolls are getting a giveaway. Yeah, 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 yeah. And it's only for my glam dolls. Basically, all you have to do is be subscribed to my channel. And you're going to click the link that's down below to get verified. It's just going to verify that you're subscribed to my channel and that you follow me on Instagram. That's it. I'm going to make it simple this time. The giveaway will run for 2 weeks. So the 18th, wait, hold on. What am I thinking? 2 weeks? Yeah, the 18th will be the final day to get entered, and then the drawing will take place on the 20th or whenever my next video date is. One lucky winner will get a Jaclyn Hill Morphe Palette. Not this one. This one's used and abused. I have decided the way I'm going to do it this time, because the last couple times I've shipped things out, my shipping costs are psycho. Like, to ship things is nuts. I shipped a couple boxes out, paid like 60 bucks just to ship across a couple states. I don't know if I'm doing it wrong or what, but I am paying way too much for shipping. So what I've decided to do is, once the giveaway ends and whoever wins gives me their address, I'm just going to go on to Morphe or Ulta, purchase that baby, and have it shipped straight to you. It's going to be cheaper for me and easier, and all I have to do is click a button. I don't even have to go to the store to get it. I just click a button and it goes straight to you. I don't have to see it. I don't have to touch it. It's going to be so much easier. So that's what I'm going to do. And if you have not seen the Jaclyn Hill palette, this one's my version. And this one is very used and abused because it's my favorite palette in the whole world, which is why I chose it as what I'm giving away for this giveaway. And I don't know why it's bugged me so much, but ever since I found out what people outside of the United States pay for makeup, it really hurts my heart. Like, it really has affected me greatly, and I've thought about it so much. Like, what would I do if I lived in those countries where I can't get makeup for less than like $100 for like a Maybelline palette? You know what I mean? Like, the prices you guys pay are so outrageous that it hurts my heart, and that's why I continue to do international giveaways. Like, I open mine up internationally because a lot of my subscribers across, you know, the ocean cannot afford the prices of makeup. If I had to, what I pay every month in makeup would probably be quadrupled over there, and I don't know how you guys do it. God bless you for paying those prices, because I would just, my heart would break. As much as I love makeup, I don't think I could do it. I think I would be a barefaced Betty, because there is no way in hell you're gonna catch me paying like double the price for one palette. That's crazy. So God bless you all who put up with that. So that's why I want to keep it open to international. And I did this palette because for those who can't get their hands on you know, a lot of makeup, this is such a great quality palette, and you can do so many looks with it, and it's just so versatile, and it's so pigmented. It is the best palette that Morphe has ever put out. I will say that. The next in line would be the Dare to Create palette. The only reason why Dare to Create doesn't top this one for me is because Dare to Create doesn't have any highlight color, like champagne-y highlight colors. But other than that, it is fabulous. So make sure you click the little link down below to prove you're subscribed. It's going to verify it. And make sure you follow me on Instagram. And in 2 weeks, I will draw the winner, and whoever wins, one of these little babies is being shipped straight to you. And maybe I'll throw in a couple little extra gifts. Who knows? And keeping with the theme, though, I did do a look using this palette. Obviously not what's on my face. I filmed it last night. So stay tuned to check that out if you want to get an idea of maybe a look you guys might use once you win. Other than that, let's go ahead and jump into the look. All right, we are going to start with Miss Jaclyn Hill, and mine is Well Loved. And for my transition color, I'm going to go in with Silk Cream and just dust this on right above the crease and into the crease. That's just going to make everything blend cohesively. Then I'm going to use Pukey Yuck, which is my favorite brown in the entire world. It has the ugliest name, but it is literally the best brown ever. And I'm going to place that into the crease and also slightly above. And then I'm going to go in with Mocha, and this is going to kind of be our depth to the crease, and I'm placing that right into the crease. And this is what's going to just kind of, I'm placing mine slightly above though, because I got to fake my crease because I have hooded eyes. And now to cut my crease, I'm using the Makeup Revolution concealer. You can use any kind you want, and I use the method of opening my eyes up wide, and that's going to show me where I need to cut the crease with the concealer on, because I have such small hooded eyes that is the best method. Now I'm going to go in with Jada, which is the matte turquoisey color. It's a beautiful blue-green. And I'm going to just place that on the inner corner outside right above, because we are going to place another color right in the center to brighten it up. So I'm just going to sweep that on, and then we're going to go in with Pool Party, which is the shimmery turquoise color, and place that right into the center, and that's just going to brighten up our eyes. And then I go back in with Jada and deepen up the corners a little bit, and just kind of blend it all together. And with an eyeliner brush, I'm going to go back in with Mocha and just kind of go over the crease line again and just make it very defined and cut. And I use an eyeliner brush because it's the thinnest and it's going to make the least amount of mistakes for me and really be a little more precise. And then I'm going to go in with Pukey on the lower lash line. Again, it's my favorite. And I'm just going to blend that up into the outer corners so that everything just kind of blends together. And for my highlight, I'm going to go in with Beam, which is my favorite highlight color from this palette. And for eyeliner, I'm going to use the NYX eyeliner pencil. It's a waterproof eyeliner pencil in the color Bronze. And now I'm going to go ahead and use the Bad Gal Benefit mascara. And for lashes, I'm just going to use my Ardell Wispies and my Duo Lash Glue and plop those babies right on. And voila, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It came out so beautiful and it's so pigmented, and I love this palette. So make sure you get entered to win. Again, down below, click that box, and I will see you guys all in the next video. Bye!